Hello there. So you want to know how you can go ahead and report posts on Reddit. This is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So for example, as you can see in front of me, there is a F Trump post right over here, right? And for example, I don't like this and I want to go ahead and report this post. All I need to do is simply go ahead and click on this triple dot icon on the right hand side of the post, as you can see. And once you've clicked on that, click on this report button, which is going to be the last option right over here. And it's going to ask you, thanks for looking out for yourself and your fellow Redditors, what's happening, and we'll look into it. So you can simply go ahead and select whatever is happening right here. So for example, this is harassment, and you can simply go ahead and click on yes. Harassment towards you or someone else, and you can just simply go ahead and click on submit, and that is about it. You will go ahead and report this post. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.